Good morning, ninth class. I hope you all are fine and studying well from your home. Students, as you all know that we are studying the chapter Matter in our surrounding. Students, topic for today is states of matter. As you all know, matter is made up of particles. So it exists in three states: solid, liquid, and gas. The different states of matter are due to different arrangement of the particles of matter. In solid state, particles are very close to each other. You can see they are very close. Particles hold each other very tightly and have strong force of attraction. You can see the boy in the picture. Solids have definite shape and definite volume. Now, liquid. In liquid states, particles are packed closely together but not as close as in solid. They are further apart. Force of traction is weaker than it is in solids. Students, liquid have definite volume but do not have definite shape. They take the shape of container in which they are kept. Now we will study the properties of gases. Students, in gases, particles of matter are very far away from each other. You can see they are very far away. Force of traction in gases are very weak in the particles of matter. Gases neither have definite shape nor have definite volume. They take the shape of the container and fit the volume in the size of container. Okay. Now students, see this table. Difference between solid, liquid and gases. Properties. Rigidity. Rigidity means strong. मतलब एक चीज़ च बनी रहना. Solids are rigid, liquids are not rigid, and gases are not rigid. Okay. Second is shape and volume. You have studied earlier, seen solids have definite shape and volume. Liquids have definite volume but no definite shape. They take the shape of container. Gases have neither definite shape nor definite volume. Third is fluidity. Solids cannot flow. You know, solids are rigid. They cannot flow. Liquids can flow from high to low, high to low, high to low level. Gases can flow in all direction. They flow in all direction. That's why we get the smell of any perfume in even seconds if anyone uses it, because gases flow in all directions. Compressibility. Compressibility means कि दब के ऊपर दबाव पा सकते हैं. Solids cannot be compressed. Liquids can be easily compressed. Gases can be easily compressed. Okay, so these are the properties of solids, liquid and gases. Students, you can see here also in this picture solids. The pictures are given of chair, hammer, magnet and stone. Now see here properties. We will recall all that we have studied earlier in this video. Particles in solid are tightly packed, usually in regular pattern. Particles in solid will vibrate but cannot move past each other. Solids retain their shape. Same, there are properties of liquid and gases. You will study these properties. We will see images. देखो, liquid ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ water, oil, ink, they take the shape of container na, they do not have their own shape. Now here see this, the tea mug kettle is given na, the tea is in the form of vapors. It is going on balloon and football. These all are examples of gas. I hope students you all get this topic well. I hope you all understand well. Okay. So you will write this table that we have studied earlier in this video in your notebook. Make this table and write the properties of solid, liquid, gas. Okay. Okay.